Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update Mozilla Thunderbird email client to the latest version. Keeping your email client up to date ensures you have the latest security patches and features. So let's get started with this quick process. First, you'll want to open your Thunderbird application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your inbox or main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu icon there, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar symbol. Go ahead and click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Help. This option is typically found towards the bottom of the menu and will give you access to various support and information features within Thunderbird. Clicking on Help is essential as it's the gateway to checking for updates and learning more about your current version. Next, within the Help menu, you'll see an option labeled About Thunderbird. Click on this option to proceed. This action will open a new window that displays information about your current Thunderbird version. More importantly, this window automatically checks for any available updates as soon as it opens, so you don't need to manually search for them. Once the About Thunderbird window opens, the application will begin searching for the latest version automatically. If an update is available, you'll see a button that says Restart to update Thunderbird. Go ahead and click on this button. This will initiate the update process and prepare your application to install the newest version. Now you'll need to wait for a moment while Thunderbird closes, applies the update, and restarts itself. This process usually takes just a minute or two, depending on the size of the update and your system's performance. The application will handle everything automatically, so there's no need for any additional input from you during this time. And that's it. Your Mozilla Thunderbird email client is now updated to the latest version with all the newest features and security improvements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.